So yeah, I really like this. Now the box has arrived from Amazon, and you can turn on and off things, and I'm gonna hook it up to my house lights so I can turn them on and off at night. I could actually schedule it. I'm gonna show you. So the installation is really easy, and here it is. I'm using Tuya. Even though it comes with its own app called Gosund, I like Tuya Smart much better because I have a bunch of applications already hooked up to it. It's a super easy connect, just follow the screen. So I have the Garage Swamp, I have the small vacuum Zozy, these are vacuum cleaners, and then I have this product that I just added in, outside ambient lights, and I could turn them on and off. So all I have to do is just plug it in, and this will control my lights. And here it is. It's plugged into my watt meter because I would like to know how many watts it uses overnight. This will be reset and reconfigured once I get all my data. And now we're ready to control it with my app. And here I go. I push the power button, turns off, power button, turns on. That's pretty cool. And now where the trick stands is you have to create a schedule. So see, if you look under schedule, I've created a schedule right now, and then I have the light turn on at 8 o'clock and turn off at 6 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, this is absolutely awesome. Thanks for watching, guys.